Hello, this is Gulzar Munawwar from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about 8 different types or categories of warehouses. Let's begin our discussion. Warehouses are used for storage and management of goods or products in a centralized location. They can vary in size, design, and functionality based on the type of goods being stored and the specific requirements of the supply chain or business. Here are some examples of types of warehouses. 1. Fulfillment center. A fulfillment center is typically used by e-commerce companies for storing, packing, and shipping products directly to customers. It may include various areas for receiving, sorting, picking, packing, and shipping goods, as well as automated systems for order processing and inventory management. 2. Distribution center. A distribution center is a facility used for receiving goods from multiple sources, sorting, storing, and redistributing them to different locations or retail stores. It acts as a central hub for managing the flow of goods in a supply chain, often serving as a point of consolidation and cross-docking. 3. Cold storage warehouse. Cold storage warehouses are designed for storing perishable goods, such as frozen or refrigerated foods, pharmaceuticals, and other temperature-sensitive products. These warehouses are equipped with specialized refrigeration systems, insulation, and temperature monitoring to maintain the required temperature levels for preserving the quality and safety of the goods. 4. Bonded warehouse. A bonded warehouse is a facility where imported goods can be stored without paying customs duties or taxes until they are ready for distribution or export. These warehouses are regulated by customs authorities and are used for storing goods that are subject to import duties, taxes, or other customs regulations. 5. Raw material warehouse. Raw material warehouses are used for storing raw materials or components that are used in the manufacturing process. These warehouses are strategically located near the production facility to ensure a steady supply of materials for production, and may include specialized storage systems for handling different types of raw materials, such as chemicals, metals, or textiles. 6. Retail warehouse. Retail warehouses are used by retailers for storing excess inventory, seasonal merchandise, or goods that are awaiting replenishment in stores. These warehouses are often located close to retail outlets for efficient replenishment of stock and may include facilities for order picking, packing, and shipping to stores. 7. Automated warehouse. Automated warehouses use advanced technologies such as robotics, conveyor systems, and automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, for handling and managing goods. These warehouses are designed for high efficiency, accuracy, and speed in order processing and inventory management, and are typically used in large-scale operations or distribution centers. 8. Hazmat warehouse. Hazmat, hazardous materials. Warehouses are designed for storing goods that are classified as dangerous or hazardous, such as flammable liquids, toxic chemicals, or explosives. These warehouses comply with strict safety regulations, including specialized storage systems, ventilation, fire suppression, and handling procedures, to ensure the safe storage and handling of hazardous materials. These are just a few examples of the types of warehouses that exist, and warehouses can also be customized or combined to meet specific needs of businesses or industries. The design, layout, and functionality of a warehouse depend on factors such as the type of goods being stored, the volume of inventory, the required handling processes, and the overall supply chain requirements. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe channel Gulzar Munawwar.